In this training video, we'll be going over your equipment models, so the different models of your equipment. And the way we're going to do that is just simply by clicking Equipment, which is here at the top dash. And right underneath the categories, we have Models. So we click on Models. And you won't be going in here all that often, but let's say you have to add equipment. You've got 20 new different types of air movers, a brand new name brand that you normally have. So that's what this is going to be. Or let's say there's a mistake. So this area is for editing purposes, editing your models. Okay, so like right here, this REIS Air 1300. Okay, that's wrong. It should be 1200. So I'm going to go to the Edit button, and I'm going to fix that up right now. So just simply erase the 3 and put in a 2. And if everything looks good, that's spelled correctly, that's the proper description now, the way you want it. Okay, because we're editing the model. Now you click OK. And you will literally have this everywhere. So for example, if I went back to Equipment, okay, and we just repaired this, see it says 1200, used to say 1300, and even if I went to View, okay, it's all been corrected, 1200, and so forth. So again, if you want to edit the equipment models, you go up to the top here, as I said, and then click on the button Models, and this is where you can do your editing. You won't have to go in here all that often, really, but this is where you would do that programming, and this is the edit buttons. Also, let's say you didn't have any more Phoenix Focus 3000s, and well, you could simply delete it. You could delete that right there, and you won't have this whole choice right here. That would be gone. So it's that simple, but very good to have when you need it. To your success, and thank you for watching.